Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai i20. This particular one is a 1.4 SE 5-door with a 5-speed manual gearbox and has done 6,200 miles currently. It was registered 2015 on a 15 plate. Is in a red metallic, as you can see. Now this is a very nice little car, and it's got the light beige interior. It actually goes very well with the red metallic. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoyed it.